feather stick and you don't have a knife, find yourself an old willow branch and break it. If it is raining and you struggle to find dry tinder, find yourself a poplar, an old standing one. Take out those fibers. From the bark. If you collect more and you process it, you have a perfectly dry tinder nest. If you only find a yucky water source like that, then you have to dig a coyote well right here. You see that in another video of mine. I put it in the link. When you're out and about, always nibble on the small medicine, then you never need the big medicine. If you're lost while hunting and you expect a cold night, then find yourself a riverbed and a drop off like this. Then you make a big, huge ass fire right here. And after 3-4 hours, you move that fire over, and that is a spot where you sleep. I made a video about it, how to. I will link it. If you are in a survival situation, never ever neglect the sight of a great burdock. This plant is a survival multi-tool. First, you can collect the leaves from the year before, and even when damp, they take a spark, and then you can blow it into a fire. You can break it, and then you can collect the fibers. And from those fibers, you can make yourself a string in no time. Third, where an old burdock was, there's a new one. And you can find the leaves for food, the stems for food. They are bitter though, but you can boil them. Another use of it is where the new plant is, which doesn't have a stem yet, you can dig it out and there will be a root as big as that knife. And you can eat it whole, and it even tastes good, like kind of like carrot. And it's really nutritious. Never neglect great burdock. Burdock tip number 5. If you find one which is like a year old, like this guy here, it's from last year, you can see it by the color. You see the other ones in the background, they're more brownish, so they are from this year, they died. This is from last year. First of all, there's barely any burrs on it no more. You see inside that white pith here. So you can use a section like this one here maybe. Yeah, this one's split. You try to cut it, get it straight kinda, without a split. Like so. Now you can carve it into a tip. And you can use that with a poplar board to make fire. What I would do is I would try to make a straight shaft and then drill a hole in the front and insert the tip. Yeah, so that way you can use up that tip, and comes another day, you find another one, you just switch the tips as you go. And that way you can maintain yourself like a bow and drill kit, which you have always available. Burdock tip number 6. You take the seeds or seed pods, you open them up, you find black seeds in there, like this one. You take those seeds, like a teaspoon, and you make yourself a tea, and you will sleep better at night. Tip number 7. Know beforehand which berries and plants you can eat. Those ones you can. That is chokecherry. That's the biggest part of survival. You need to know your plants. And this is actually the biggest part of survival. You need to familiarize yourself with the things nature has to offer. If you don't do that, you can have all the gear you can buy, you can have all the other skills you can have, but if you don't have anything to eat and you don't know what you can eat and you don't know how to acquire it, then you're hooped. I hope this video was fun for you, and I hope you enjoyed the 7 survival tips, and if that is the case, then please leave a subscription, and that will help my channel tremendously. I need to get my 1,000 followers, and yeah, so go out there, go in the woods. Nature is medicine, and we all need more medicine. Okay, see you soon. Bye.